Moving on to uniqueness, there are three methods we're going to cover here: unique, unique, and drop duplicate. So let's use a different column here. We'll call it the content. We'll just actually call it rating for the content rating. Okay, like that. Okay, so here's our series. Here are the values over here. Here's the index over here. So rating, if you do dot unique, will return something different. Okay, this is a NumPy array, so it's a little weird that it's not returning a pandas object. This is one reason I don't necessarily like this method all that much, although it's perfectly fine. It doesn't keep you in pandas; it gives you a NumPy array. So if you don't know how to deal with NumPy arrays, you might be a little confused here. So anyway, these are the unique values. It's in the order that they appear. It does include nan. So if you have a missing value, it'll include a single missing value, no matter how many missing values you have. So these are all things that appear at least one time. There is an n unique, which gives you the number of unique values. So it's the number that appear here, except that you'll see that is different. By default, does not include missing values. So if you do drop NA equals false, so it does not drop NA, it'll give you one more, right? So if otherwise, it'll just give you the number of uniques, not including NA, if there are any. Okay, and then the last method we're going to cover is drop duplicates, but it's like unique, except it returns a series. So I like this one a little bit better. Because of that, it keeps you in pandas. And you can see the order over here will be the same. It also keeps one missing value. So wherever the first unique value that appears, that is what it will keep. And you have control over this. So you can say, you see this keep, which one will it keep? So there are many duplicated. You can say you can keep the first or the last. False actually drops all duplicates, so that is interesting. So we'll say keep equals last. So this is the last appearance. So the last movie that has this TVY rating is Arthur. The last PG movie is My Date with Drew. So these are all appear probably towards the end of the data set. So you can change this. By default, this is first. So pretty cool. So my preference here is for drop duplicates over unique, just because it gives you a pandas series. It gives you a little bit more information too. It gives you the index. Sometimes you just want those values, like what are the actual unique values in a NumPy array. So you can use that if you just want those values without the index. All right, so that is it for uniqueness.